ready? You ready? So we are heading to Puerto Rico. I can't pronounce it.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah, we're heading to that place right now. And look at the view. About to take off. And we'll show you that. It's kind of low res right now because recording this off my front camera on my iPhone. But yeah.
Don't you have a vloggy in your backpack?
Yeah, I don't feel like taking that out right now. I don't feel like taking that out right now though. It's complicated.
You gonna cut that out?
No, look at it in. So Mia needs to cough, but the whole coronavirus thing is kind of ruining that moment. Just do it. Do it. Let me see how many people look around.
It's like when you're in class and you've already coughed too many times.
Just cough.
It's just allergies, I promise.
Oh, let's watch some games. I don't know. Got any games? Alright guys, so first official day, I guess you could say. It's a little windy. So the beach is probably gonna be, or the water's probably gonna be you think so?
Yes, I think it's warm.
Okay, we'll see. So yeah, let's go to the beach. Snack on, got some chips, and it's a beautiful day right now. Waves are a little gnarly back there, but yeah, Mia got knocked down a couple times. I got knocked down a couple times, but hopefully the waves chill out for a little bit. The sun is amazing. You know? Everyone loves the sun. Look at these amazing folks. Enjoying it. Headed to the second beach. Right over there. Alright guys, well, I tried to do some drone shots. I don't know if y'all can hear me with all this wind, but and the waves, yeah. Try to do a drone shot here, restricted. So they're making it really interesting to fly this drone. Ah! So we're like really close to all these rocks and stuff, and the looks like the waves are getting higher. And they have these pokey black things. That's what I'm talking about right there. There's so many of them. Yeah, it doesn't look like ink just spilled over there. I do want to go all the way over there. Day 2, just walking around the city. It's a little windy to go to the beach right now, but not too cloudy. It's not like a windy cold, it's like a Not even like a windy hot. It's like, I don't know, it's weird.
It's just perfect.
Yeah, it feels good. It's like some Cali weather. No drone shots today, I don't think, because the wind is terrifying. Oh man. How windy it is, guys. Yeah, the sand is like killing us, guys. Alright, so the reason why we say the sand hurts, the wind is so strong, it's literally picking up the sand from that beach over there. And just like putting it in our skin. It hurts, right? It's like when your arm or your leg goes to sleep and you have needles poking you. Yep. It's kind of like, it's like that, but like 2 times worse. Leah says it's too windy. It hurts. The sand hurts my legs. We just went to CVS, got me a little Monster. Mia got her some tanning lotion. Alright, heading out. Mia says she won't get cold. Says she's not gonna get cold, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. We got the Shelby GT 500. Oh yeah, 2020. Let's get it. Hey. How you liking the Starbs?
It's really good. I'm ready for that to go.
It's just raining out there. Still is a little bit. Y'all can see that. Yeah, there it is. So where are we going after this? San Juan? Old San? Old San Juan? Yep. I got my little combination of all this stuff. That's a lot. They have all this stuff right here on here. I still think Jack's better. Sorry. Guess I'll never like expensive coffee. Especially iced coffee. I guess iced coffee really doesn't have to be expensive.
Yeah, I guess not.
Just basic. Just basic coffee. I don't have to be all matcha green tea, 3 pumps of this, 2 pumps of that.
Castillo San Cristobal, wow. Those walls used to continue all the way around the city.
Todo esto daba toda la vuelta y se unía con otra valla. Tenías que pasar por un túnel.
You had to go through a
En
tunnel
el
to get
tiempo
through them.
español,
It used to
en
be all like fortress.
1889 quitaron esto lo demolieron.
Was that for protection?
De aquí hasta
Yeah,
allá.
to protect the island.
Lo
And they
demolieron
demolished
todo
it
para que abrir San Juan.
to open
Que
San
fue un
Juan.
error.
It's a neighborhood down there. It's like a city sort of, and there used to be all like criminals and stuff, and they would rob you. Nobody that was out from the city like could go in there without
Yeah, not
being like
anymore.
robbed
Tourists
or-
go
Mira, está saliendo el sol.
every
beat
day.
up or
Sí,
something.
yo lo vi.
But now it's open and now it's safer. They've made it safer, and that's where they filmed Despacito.
Oh,
Coloniales. Sí.
there it is.
Pero esto mismo está.
Wow, look at the grass.
Sale por ahí. Sale. Pegadito.
Yep, can. Y'all really just found a mango and about to eat it.
There's more mangoes. There's a bunch of them. Let me go find one.
Oh, I almost stepped on one. Oh, I missed it. What happened?
I tripped. Mira este.
Jeez. It's a little.
Está bien naranja, pero tú estás echando. Pero te puedes comer al otro lado como este parece que está.
Looks like the bugs got in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeesh.
bugs.
Mia's gonna get in the river tour, the little waterfall area.
That's too cool.
You're gonna regret it. I'm telling you.
No, it's cold.
Cold goes away, memories last for a lifetime. So, quality looks pretty bad from here. So, went to the mountains, so the little rainforest. Pretty fun, right? Trip's all wrapped up. We got some food, cake. Mia's birthday is tomorrow. 19 years
No, I'm
old.
kidding. 18.
So in the comments, if y'all made it this far, wish me a happy birthday, please, in the comments. And yeah, guys, end of this vlog. And as always, please like, comment, and share. Keep it sexy. Oh my God.
So fresh, but I guess how I wanna. Made a name, made my way to California.